so very much for taking time. Come over and visit with me over on Fritz's Cooking Again. I'm Fritz, and I reckon it's time for another Sunday cook, y'all. And guys, what I'm going to prepare for y'all tonight is some fried chicken thighs and fried wings, guys. And I'm going to put my spin on it, guys. And basically what I have here is I'm going to actually make Fritz's Fern Creek fry batter, guys, and I'm here to tell you this stuff is great. Now, I love the Hooters batter, but I think mine is actually better, guys. I use the whole grain wheat flour here and regular A all-purpose flour here, and I've got some ingredients. I'm going to get that together for you real quick, guys. What I did was overnight, guys, I took and I brined my chicken wings and my thighs. So I'm going to drain this off, and we're going to get to breading and everything, guys. But all right, y'all, just bear with me, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I drained off my chicken, my thighs, and my wings here. And guys, I'm liking to use these tea towels. That way I don't burn through paper towels like a son of a gun. And what I do is to keep from cross-contaminating, I'll just take like my Walmart bag or whatever, put it in here, and then I can take it down to the wash machine and bleach it or whatnot. But anyway, guys, what I've done is I'm ready to go ahead and I'm going to add my thighs here. I want to get my egg wash up on them. Get my wings on up in here too. Alright, y'all, now what I've done was I've actually taken 3 eggs. I beat them up pretty good. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to dump my parsley in there, guys. We love our parsley, guys. It's wonderful. We'll go ahead and get that on up in there. Beat that in there real good. I'm here to tell you wouldn't think it, but this parsley gives it so much flavor, guys. I'm here to tell you. Alright, guys, now I'm going to take a little bit of my egg beaters. Like so. Go ahead and mix this up a bit. And guys, I love doing it in these chip tins. I'm here to tell you, you can get all kinds of stuff in there. It don't take a lot of room when I'm brining. It don't take up a lot of room in the refrigerator downstairs. Alright, guys, that's all there is to this. Add in the rest of these egg beaters. Alright, guys. Now what I'll do is I'll take my lid here. Make sure it's on tight, guys, or you'll have a big freaking mess. Alright, guys, I'm going to shake it up. Alright, y'all. See, I got a little bit right there, but it went on my towel. Okay, guys, now let that set on the counter for at least 30 to 45 minutes. And I'm going to go ahead and mix this batter up for y'all. Alright, guys, we're ready to get started with Fritz's Fern Creek fry batter, y'all. And what we have here is I have roughly 3 cups of whole wheat flour, guys. I usually go 2 to 1 ratio. 2 cups to 1 cup of all-purpose flour, guys, but I'm making a larger batch and I didn't want to run out. So what I have is 3 cups of whole wheat flour, 100% whole wheat flour, guys. And that's actually what gives Hooters that distinctive taste, guys. They use this in their batter. Alright, guys, let's go on and get that on up in there. Alright, now, and I've got a cup and a half of all-purpose flour here. Alright, guys, give that a gentle mix. Alright, guys, Mom's not too much on the heat. I like it a little bit, not super hot. But what we have here is a teaspoon full of cayenne pepper here. Go ahead and add that. Alright, guys, what I have here, now this is going to be easy to remember. I have a tablespoon of paprika. I have a tablespoon of lemon pepper. I have a tablespoon of garlic powder. I have a tablespoon of onion powder. I have a tablespoon of parsley. I have a tablespoon of salt. Now, guys, when you're making your batter, you can use as much or as little as you want. That's what I say. It's what's so fantastic about doing things in your own kitchen here. But I'm here to tell you guys, I'm on to something with this batter here. It's fantastic. Alright, guys, let me get this mixed up, and next time you see me, we'll be battering up some chicken. And we're going to do it out there on the camp chef today, guys. We're going to fry out back. We're having a nice day. and I'm gonna fry y'all some chicken, y'all. I wish y'all could come over here and enjoy it with me. Have a couple of cold ones and some fried chicken. All right, guys. Okay, guys, we're ready to get started on Fritz's Fern Creek, Kentucky fried chicken, y'all. And guys, I've got my batter mixed up, Fritz's Fern Creek, Kentucky fried batter. And we actually got our chicken that has marinated in the egg wash and the parsley for about 30 minutes or so. And guys, here's the basket I'm actually going to use to mix our chicken up in. And here I've got like a wire screen here, a slotted wire screen on a sheet pan here, and we're actually going to put it on that. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get on up in here and grab some of our wings. And I'm telling you guys, these little Tupperware things here work great. Cut down on the mess. But you want to make sure that the top is on very securely, okay? All right, guys, let's give that a simple shake. All right, guys, that's all there is to it. Get it on a wire rack here. It's gonna be good. All right, guys, we'll grab a couple of our thighs. I just batter them myself. Well, Sarge smells that, don't you, boy? All right, guys. What do you think? All right, guys, we'll get another one up in here. Fritz's fry batter, baby. Come and get you some. Okay, guys, we're ready to get started frying here. I'm at 380, so let's go ahead and drop a couple of thighs. And like I always say, away from you, guys. Oh my God, doesn't that look good, guys? I'm here to tell you. Guys, I always keep my lid near in case I have to smother the fire, okay? I'll pull off the thermometer, smother the fire, kill the gas. Oh yeah. Looking good, baby. Looking good. You want some fried chickens, boy? These bad boys. I'm here to tell you now. Colonel ain't got nothing on Fritz. All right, guys. Away from you. Away from you. Take a peek at these, y'all. Look at that. Now that's Southern fried right there, y'all. Like I said, it's jumping off up in there. Oh yeah. All right, guys, let's go ahead and add our wings. Away from you. Away from you. Away from you. I like to do the drums first. Look at them bad boys. That's what I'm talking about right there, y'all. Oh yeah. They're jumping off up in there. I believe we is done. You want chicken, don't you, boy? Huh? My goodness, my goodness, my goodness. What a wonderful day, guys. And the sun is going down. Let's get something good to eat, y'all. All right, guys, take a peek at that goodness. How is it, Mom?
Well, it's
Fritz's fried chicken, y'all. I like to get a little bit of the Hooters wing sauce. Love this stuff. Plum full of butter. Oh yeah. All right, guys, when we get into my thigh here, it sure is a good looking piece of chicken there. Sorry guys, never seems to fail. Battery done died again. Dang, that's good. I love the skin too. Nice and crunchy. Let's try one of these wings. I love me some wings, guys. Right off the bone.